I'm currently in Paris. I'm so excited. I've been here for a couple days. It's been a fiasco so far. We literally have no place to stay. The host never even told me that they canceled. And they're like, wait, there's no booking. Somebody else booked the apartment yesterday.
My first time in Paris. I will say it's probably the scariest city that I've visited, not because the city is scary. It's actually very beautiful. The people are lovely. It's because mon français n'est pas bon. J'ai étudié le français pendant 5 ans, mais il est toujours mauvais. So it's been kind of hard to like communicate, obviously. It's hard to navigate a city when you don't speak the language. You know what's really interesting is that before I came to Paris, everybody said that like there's people around. I haven't met a single person who has been rude because I speak English. They've actually been really patient. The city is so beautiful. Everywhere you walk and look, it's just like such beautiful architecture. It's kind of like walking through history. I'm having a great time.
Oh god. Oh god, I'm getting scared to order something. Ugh. She's already come around like twice, but I've been too scared to say anything.
Attends, je prends un café au lait.
Café au lait? You café au lait now? Just?
Yes, now. Thank you. Embarrassing. Embarrassing. I don't even really drink coffee. I just like ordering it because it's like one of the only things I know how to say in French. Is that a lot of sugar to be putting in? Ooh, I like that. J'ai hâte. I'm excited.
Oh, I thought you were trying to say like how I was like.
Oh, I'm at. Our Fringlish is. Earlier I was saying je suis excitée, but that's not.
Ainsi que les dimanches matins jusqu'à 10h.
C'est ici. C'est mignon. I am now at the new Airbnb. It's so cute. The host just left and she like explained about how everything works, and like I actually really like having an Airbnb where someone lives there because everything is actually functional, and it's like you get to see little parts of their life and like see how they live, and it's just cool to like learn about how other people experience things at home, because like everyone has different styles of how they like to set up their home. Anyway, she just left with her daughter. Let me give you a little tour. This is the kitchen. It's very quaint but very cute. I love this little plate situation. And then this is the living room. Look how pretty. I love the style. This mirror is amazing. Look at this table. Oh my god. And then these windows open up. Look at how pretty. Can have a cute little breakfast moment here. or just like watch the sunset. And this is the bedroom. Look at this giant mirror. I love the check. This is like pretty much the style that I want to put into my condo. This courtyard is so pretty. This is the second room. Oh my god, I thought this was a dog, like a live dog. And this bathroom. Hello. Oh god. Oh, fuck. Oh god. Stop. Stop it, because that's so pretty. I'm about to move to Paris. Okay, here's the sitch. I almost got robbed. You know how they like warn you about pickpockets in Paris? How do I word this so I don't sound stupid? I keep my passport and like wallet sometimes in the back pocket of my backpack that I wear on my back. I was on the train and then some guy was like pointing to my backpack. It's like, what? It was unzipped and like my passport's in there, but it's still there. It's nobody took it. But I just am not sure if I actually like zipped it and like someone else unzipped it while I was out on the train, or if it was already unzipped. The lesson is you probably shouldn't keep your passport and valuables not in sight, but like, okay, my thing is like, I kind of have like a lot of faith that I will just find my stuff again, because I've lost my phone and wallet so many times. Every time I lose them, it just like finds its way back to me. So now I just like, when I lose my phone and wallet, I'm like, I'm not even like scared anymore. Is that not good? That's like not good. It's like, what can you do? I mean, you can put your stuff in a safe place, but also like, what can you do? You know? Anyway. Off the ice. Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Je don't smoke, but je wishes.
So, okay, here's the thing. Is at every restaurant that I've been to, I've seen grenade in a lot of their dishes. And in English, it's grenade. So I'm like, oh, c'est un salade avec grenade. I still don't know what it is. I just think it's funny. Grenade.
Stop!
Oh, still getting used to the taste of wine. We put a grenade in there, and it does make it taste better, I will say. It is currently like 5 p.m. We're happy hour.
Je vous sais.
Je vous sais.
J'espère ce voyage est très bon.
Oh, moi aussi. Oh. C'est quoi? C'est quoi? C'est quoi? C'est un personne. C'est une garçon. C'est un garçon. C'est danse. Danser, danser. Par exemple. Je m'embarrassed. He said, whoa. He said, c'est belle. Say wow.
I think I'd be like 3. Do it again. Bisous.
C'est un petit rat. Wait, that's such a small mouse. It's the first rat I've ever seen.
No.
Yes. M-A-C-G. We're walking about a bunch of stairs right now. I don't exactly know where we're going, but apparently the view is going to be really nice. Oh, it's so pretty though. The lighting is so nice. Oh my god. Oh my god! So beautiful! Oh my god!
It's so pretty. You can see the whole city from here.
Where you're balancing right now.
Oh, it's been crying.
Yeah. What a day. Dude, Paris is so cool. I think it's so interesting. In America, at least in LA and New York, it's really difficult to meet people because people are very just aloof and standoffish, and you're not supposed to really talk to anyone that you don't know. Even though there's a language barrier, like I really feel like I can talk to anyone and they'd be really nice and warm and welcoming. I think it's how the city is built and like how much history there is, and obviously the culture is just different. Babes, the vibes are just it. I thought that my stomach would be, you know, worse off than it actually is because of the amount of cheese and dairy that I'm inhaling, but I think there's something different about European dairy and gluten that just like doesn't really bother my digestive tract as much. Anyway, I'm thriving in Paris. Absolutely thriving.